Xolani Maphanga ushaya X-Repo ne?
Yeah.
Oh, same scheme vele.
Yeah, sikhula sonke and
some bench sure.
Yeah. And le X-Repo le it is picture Mojalove. It was our IP then sababhayisela yo.
Hi YouTube, welcome back to the Open Chat Lead TP Buffet. This is your platform where we explore everything and anything in the world we live in. Okay, right. So guys, did you know that Xolani Khumalo, the previous presenter of Season Tola, as well as Xolani Maphanga, who is the current presenter of X-Repo from Mojalove, were actually childhood friends who are the original owners of the IP of the X-Repo. However, they sold the show to Mojalove. So Xolani Khumalo is basically explaining the entire story of how it went, how they got to sell the show, and how they started the show, and the idea behind the idea of Season Tola as well as X-Repo. So without further ado, without wasting time, guys, let's get straight down to the video.
X-Repo idea yakho nize kanjani?
Okay. Ekas thina besilezi ukuthi magne outhi eshayi chair ma already uzosifonela sizo adjust the situation magne car ehijackiwe sakwazi ukuyithola. At some point savula ne organization called a Policing Without Boundaries, where we went to Ikela no impact him side.
Oh, but we know that in Policing Without Boundaries.
Yes.
Okay.
So besilisana nalabantwana abaphatha ama-okapi sizamukenza ukuthi isigela sibe child friendly yabona. So from there then we started getting into security, then sangene Mojalove, then kanjalo.
Mina ngifuna ukucava nge-idea X-Repo because abantu ababhaya, it's difficult for me to think my idea might end up on a television platform.
Okay, so while doing those things bese landa nekolodo ukuthi usibuda ubhayisele uXolani ikar, uXolani akayicedanga ukuyirhafa uyala uchaga usibuda ngithola, then thina sagibela ke.
This was before the TV show.
Yes.
Ispanbeni sishaya.
Yeah, besishaya vele
straight.
straight.
Bebanokuni-hire ukuthi sicela nizonceda banirhafe.
Yes.
Okay.
Ubani uvayisa ama-truck ukuthi uspana kuphi ama-truck wakhe wasabuya. Sifuna wathi une-security engakanani besiya sifike sithatha izinto sibuye nazo. Ngathi mpana why singayithuli lento le on TV? Because of a problem ya wonke umuntu. Thina siyenzela abantu basethembisa, but you find out that kunabantu South Africa yonke abakhala nga this day. So asifake i-TV sibone ukuthi singakwazi ukunceda abantu kuphi. Then that's how we started. So masiqala bese co-presenter sithu. Then mina ngayehla ngayolungisa izinye because angekufaka amaqanda akhe ebasketini eliwani mulihamba ubonabonana nezinye izinto.
How difficult was it for Mojalove to commission the show?
It was not difficult because of already thina besisizenzele igama eMojalove bebazi ukuthi mayishuba bizu X no X. So ukutshuna le show they knew ukuthi laba bazoshaya. Yeah.
And because the TV beningakaze nishaye before terms of the commercial agreement, what did you guys do there?
Okay, we got a legal advisor ukuthi asifundele yona ayibona ukuthi iyasifavor iyasibayizisa. Then mase sikhuluma neMojalove waba ukuthi no yazini because sila FM sikayini into yethu nithathe ni show akuna flop.
Wona babhayisele yona.
Yeah.
Okay.
As long untwana azoyipresenter mina ngimnandi ngala.
Okay.
So that was the deal.
So mara baqeda ukunibhayisela na at least balobele bamkhayela.
Yeah, bamdabule.
And then what I wanted to know as well, because of yabo and sangeni kuma sponsorship nama advertisement whatever it generates revenue ngoba senibhayisile angithi. Mara yena untanga nivumelene ukuthi mabamkhafe.
Yeah, untanga uyayipresent.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, even in the sleep, I think it does make sense now that this duo, why they have similar presenting skills, as well as like getting themselves into dangerous situations, because it's something they've been doing before they even got on TV. It's something that comes natural to them. They have passion for that. So yeah, it's something that you can force on a person. It's something that you can teach to a person. It's something that comes natural. However, I was just wondering, is it a good idea, do you think, that for them to have sold the show to Mojalove? That comes from like seeing the show having like become a success that it is today. Do you think that they couldn't focus that before like selling the show to Mojalove, or is it a win-win situation? Because after all, one of them is actually still working there with Mojalove and presenting the X-Repo show. But then what about the other Xolani who's been fired from the channel itself?
Stay connected for more.